Hi, I'm Wayne from Australian Earthmoving, and today I'm talking about the Shearcore Fortress range of mobile shears. If you have an appreciation for mechanical engineering, for brute horsepower, for beautifully neat welds, fine tolerance machining and unsurpassed refinement, you're going to love the Fortress range of shears distributed in Australia, New Zealand and the Pacific Islands by Boss Attachments. Not unlike watching a lion take down its prey, the sheer unadulterated violence of the Fortress range is nothing short of impressive. The Shearcore Fortress range of mobile shears has developed an envied global reputation for power, uncompromising performance and outstanding reliability. Fortress company founder Bruce Bacon has a 30-year association with the demolition industry, and his core business philosophy is simple. He says they operate under a simple belief: hire great people, deliver the best product and focus on customer satisfaction. These things are designed for the demolition and scrap recycling industry. The increased piston surface area of the large diameter actuating cylinder means higher forces are created. The additional volume of the cylinder means the moving parts push slowly but with great force and devastating results. The Fortress FS range of shears are designed and engineered for maximum durability, strength and reliability. The rotating head allows it to be agile and versatile without trading off strength. The design reduces unnecessary weight and improves the operator's line of sight to the work tool. The pivot point features a large main shaft and heavy-duty thrust faces, enabling it to handle excessive side loads and heavy gauge plate, channel and beams. Backed by an industry-first 3-year warranty, the Shearcore Fortress FS series is forging its way into the market here in Australia, in part as a result of the after-sales support offered by the Boss brand. Regardless what the requirements of the task may be, Boss have you covered with a range of attachments to suit every application. For more information, call 1300 116 661 or visit bossattachments.com.au.